You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this fruit in plant. We'll be looking at how to pronounce more food and cooking terms too. Stay tuned, loads to learn here. Guarana, Guarana. It comes from Brazilian Portuguese. Guarana is how they say it there. Normally has an accent on the last A. Guarana, Guarana. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.